welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing two looks. We are doing two fall looks, one focusing on the lips and the other one focusing on the eyes. If you guys want to see the two looks and one that I come up with, then keep on watching. And before we do that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. I just realized this whole time I was not recording. So as you guys can see, my base is on, my eyeliner's on, and a little bit of mascara is on because I thought I was recording and I wasn't fucking recording. Excuse my language. I think I did not get far. So this makeup look is going to be a 2-in-1. It's all about fall. We are approaching it soon, hopefully, with this freaking heat. I don't know where you guys live, but it is so freaking hot outside right now. It's like so humid. It's disgusting. I cannot wait to fall. When I think of fall, I think of two things: boldness and comfort. So today, this 2-in-1 makeup look, we're going to focus on the lips for boldness, and then we're going to focus on the eyes for comfort. Right? Yeah. So already for this look, I did do my eyeliner and I did a little bit of mascara. So now we're going to go in and do the false lashes. I've done a video on this before where I apply my false lashes, how I apply them. So check that video out. We're just going to do a half lash for this look. The main focus is going to be on the lips. So I'm going in with the Kiss So Wispy lashes, and I did cut them to make them into smaller half lashes, and we're just gonna focus them on the outer portion of my eye. So I always put them down, so we're gonna focus it right here, and I'm gonna take the outer lash and I'm going to put it out instead of curling it with my lashes. I really dig the half lash look because I feel like it opens my eyes more. And it's so minimum, but it's also like really nice at the same time. I love these half lashes. So easy. When you guys go to do half lashes, always cut the outer portion. Never cut the inner portion. It's just easier like that. I'm going to go back in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara. And we're going to connect the real lashes and the false lashes together. So it kind of looks like one little lash. Okay, lower lash line is on, and now we are going to focus on these bold lips. So when I think of fall, like I said, I think of like the deep purples, the burgundies, the browns, the reds, those type of looks for fall. But today we are going to do purple. I haven't done purple in like such a long time. So today we are going to use the ColourPop. This is the Amanda Steele X ColourPop Ultra Lip, and this is in the shade Chaps. Look how purple this is. Ooh, I'm so excited. So first I'm going to go in with the ColourPop I Love Sarahi collab and Mamacita, and we are going to line these lips. So my lips are lined. Now I'm going to go in with the lipstick. Look at that. That is stunning. That is so stunning. A simple look like this and a bold lip. You can even do like a dark burgundy. You could do a dark brown. I'm here for this look. Next, I'm going to go in with my Queen collection. This is an electric. Oh my god, I love this glitter. So we're going to go in and put a little bit on my lips. Look at that. So pretty. Is that not stunning? Is this not stunning? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look number one with a simple eye look and a bold lipstick. Okay, so on to the second look. So for the second look, we are going to focus on the eyes. And every time I think of like a fall makeup look, I know I use this palette so much. I think of the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. This is in Bling Boss. And look at these colors. This is what I think of when I think of fall. Berry shades, gorgeous shades. I'm here for it. I'm going to use glitter with this look, which I'm super excited about. But first, I'm going to go in with the shade, what is this one? Sparks, which is this like burgundy, gorgeous shade. And I'm going to focus it just on the outer portion of my eyelid. I'm not going to do too much, but I do want to focus it on the outer V portion. So to deepen this up, I'm going to go in with this shade. That one's in Mystic, which is like a dark, like purple brown shade. Now that this is done, I'm going to go in with this Stila glitter. This is in Smoldering Satin. I freaking love these. I'm going to take the glitter and put it on my finger. And we are just going to dab onto my lid. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want it to be so dramatic. I just want a light coat of glitter. I'm going to take the e.l.f. glitter. This is in Disco Queen, which is a lighter glitter. And I'm going to put it on my inner corners. I'm going to take the Maybelline, this is Stay Put eyeliner. This is in Plum, I believe. Fixed on Plum. And we are going to line my lash line. And it's okay if it's a little bit messy because it goes in with the lower lash line being blown out. And I like that dark look. When I cut my lashes, I'm going back in with the Telescopic Carbon Black. So my lashes are on, and now we are going to go in for the lips. I'm going to use two shades today. I'm going to use both Dose of Color lipstick. This one is in Chocolate Wasted, and then this one is in Brick, which both remind me so much of fall. So with the Chocolate Wasted, we're going to go and do like a little ombre look. I saw this technique off of TikTok, and I love it, where I place the shade like that, and I'm just going to keep building until I like the color. Take my concealer because we're going to clean it up a little bit. And there is the lipstick. It's like a little ombre effect. Darker on the corners, a little lighter on the inside. I love it. Love this color. I forget how good this lipstick is. Does this not give you fall vibes? Does this not give you fall vibes? So to top it off, you can leave it matte, but I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill. This is the Lip Oil and Ruby Drip, or Lip Drip Oil, I think it is. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. Look how nice and glossy that made my lips. Super nice and glossy. Here is look number 2. Thank you guys so much for enjoying this look. Which look did you like? Did you like look number 1? Or did you like look number 2? I think they're both fabulous. I actually like look number 1. I love the purple lips. I'm obsessed with it. But I also love this eye look. I love the glitter. I love the juiciness and glossiness of my lips. I love this color. I'm ready for fall, guys. I am so ready for fall. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope to see you guys soon, but don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite fall drink. Mine is iced chai tea latte with pumpkin cold cream foam. Holy cow. I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.